So this particular table and this video is for us to explore what is commonly known as the distributive law. And let's take a look. We are given the values of A, B, and C. Okay, so for example, my A will be 4. So if I were to write this down here, 4 multiplied by my B, 2, and my C is 3, 2 plus 3. Okay, so you see me writing 2 plus 3, and this will be 4 times 5, 20. Okay, now what happens if I have A times B? Okay, so for this will become 4 times B. AB is multiply, right? So I'm going to use bracket to denote the multiplication. And 4 times B, 2. This one will give me 8. AC, 4 times C. C is 3. This one will give me 12. And what happens when I have AB plus AC? So in this case will be 8 plus 12. This one will give me a value of 20. Oh, they are the same. Let's try it for another 2 sets of value. Okay, so the next round will be 3, 5, and negative 2, and we are going to start. So in this case will be 3 times 5 plus negative 2. So for simplicity, this one I will just write very quickly. This one will be equals to 3 times 3, 9. Okay, and I'm going to go deeper. What is A times B? Meaning 3 times 5. This one is 15. And again, AC. So I will have my A times C. A is 3. C is negative 2. This one will give me negative 6. And when I add them up, 15 plus my negative 6. Yeah, this one give me 9. Oh, they are the same again. Let's look at the last set of value. Alright, negative 2, 3, and 4. Do you think they will be the same? We shall see. Alright, so I will have 3 plus 4. So this one will become equals to negative 2 times 7, negative 14. And if I break them up, I will have my negative 2 times 3. This will give me negative 6. And see what is my A times C. A is negative 2, C is 4. Negative 8. Negative 6 plus negative 8. Oh, indeed, this is also negative 14. So what conclusion can we give for A bracket B plus C and AB plus C? Yes, they are the same. They are equivalent forms to each other. And upon closer look, one can see that we can actually do this. A times B will give me my AB. A times C will give me my AC. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.